Hello, this is Shadowplay Gaming. Welcome back to XCOM 2.
There's been plenty of gripes about my flying, but... Commander, we have a mission available that's reliant on time-sensitive information. We can always finish our scans later, but failing to take on this mission could have serious repercussions for the resistance movement.
Oh. Crap. Need to do this.
Setting course for Sector 8, Mexico.
Into Mexico. Can't actually I didn't go back to there. I am smart, but not that smart. If you want to become one of our soldiers, leave your name down below as well. We'll hop into it.
Sky Ranger.
Squad green to deploy.
Let's go. Hopefully it'll go as successfully.
The resistance
What's
operatives
that?
managed to rig up some sort of data interception device through an access point on the Advent network running through here. The data is apparently critical to the aliens' latest operation, and they're already moving to destroy the device. We're heading in to make sure that doesn't happen. Take out any hostile targets nearby, secure the AO, and protect that device.
Thank you, Central. You interrupt us. Rude. Hopefully it goes successfully. My last mission. And we're into it.
Hostile forces are already moving to destroy the data tap installed nearby. We need to lock down the area and secure the device at all costs.
Affirmative, moving out.
Can't see anything.
Go, go, go!
Hopefully we won't find aliens on the first time. Otherwise that would be bad. And we've been
Cover one! Advent troops here!
This is a crazy start. But I'm not going to save school. None of my units, none of my soldiers even.
Heading to
Get
that
down
location.
there. I mean, he can, but one guy can't. Which is kind of a bad thing, if you didn't already figure that out. That was quick.
Target eliminated. Might be something we could use here.
Moving to Overwatch.
Probably is, that'll be very useful. If we can recover it, depending if it's superior or not. Don't come away, don't come away.
They're falling back!
That's not good. Now, if you probably don't know, that's probably a sectoid. Okay, not very nice things.
Understood. Moving out. Got the
Lose
goods.
is fine, not bad, not bad.
Got it covered.
You want to move... Hi. We want to move our sniper because the squad sniper probably won't hit it over there.
Moving out.
I like to be fast. Hi. And they're over here. Like,
They got
see that?
friends.
Annoyance. They can't move and shoot at the same in the same turn, which is kind of helpful for me. so I know where
Heading
they
there
are.
now.
Thank you for your
Although they
vision.
bear some resemblance to the sectoids first encountered during the invasion, their genetic structure now includes human DNA. They are stronger than ever, with an even greater psionic potential.
Menace 1-5, we've got a line on the target. Move to protect that gear at all costs.
The psionic potential isn't the good part. That was quick.
Target neutralized.
Okay then. One down, not many more to go. Heads. Ah. How about you guys?
Come on!
I don't really care if you dash or not, so go for that.
Okay.
Run out. Hit. And you fail.
Come on, focus!
You're telling me. And we got some more
I've got eyes on an
not so
advent
good
sector.
guys who I really don't like.
They're trying to flank us! Watch the
How
side!
dare you? You're not allowed to mock me. Otherwise you'll probably fail.
This looks a little ugly.
Probably the key word there, because she's probably going to die as well. Don't die. Telling me how. What? How and how? What?
Position confirmed.
Goodbye. That seems painful.
No longer a threat.
We got our first death. If we lose soldiers like that, that's not going to be good. Can you...
Rolling.
I want you to throw a grenade so this guy falls and perishes. But apparently you can't do that, Shoot him. How?
Shot wide.
You shoot. At least someone can aim.
Enemy down. Toss me some ammo.
Don't be. Oh gosh, shooting that. Not on my breathe. The guy that's dead. Wait. There's another pack of aliens. So round there. That's annoying. What? I never recall playing on Legend mode. Shoot. Good, but you still miss. Not good. You better not hurt. Thank you.
I'm taking fire.
Another one bites the dust.
Enemy destroyed.
Bum, bum, bum.
My weapon's
I
spent.
hope I don't get copyrighted. If you don't hit, actually I'll shoot you. Through the wall.
Good riddance.
My sniper. Keep that in mind. Sniper. It's actually doing something good for once with her puny, pathetic life. And watch her shoot.
Taking heavy damage.
What the
Cover my flank.
How is everyone on the brink of death?
Closing on target position now.
What?
Headed there now.
Here we go.
Get back in there.
You better do. Otherwise you won't be getting promotions. Only 3 to 5 damage, last time I did 8 damage. Someone take a step. Crit. Crit. You missed, you blonde oaf. He's
Shot
probably
wide.
going to. Yeah.
Burning through
How?
ammo fast.
How is everybody dying so quickly? What? How?
Get it together.
Why? The game normally doesn't hit you this hard. Missed the device, but still didn't win, that's just good. Ah, that's what I missed.
Heading out.
Hey there, I don't like. Ooh, what's a. I'm not gonna take him with it. I don't like you very much. Goodbye. I mean, you could have gone last
Taken
time.
care of.
And that would have been
Negative.
a bit more
Weapons
useful.
dry.
How's
Back
my
online.
back? Yeah, that's annoying.
Moving out.
No.
Overwatch.
So you've still got more things
I'm
to
on the
deal
move.
with. Cool, sweet day.
Roger that.
Reload.
I'm ready.
Overwatch.
Oh yeah.
Scanning.
Still nothing? Seriously?
Moving to position.
Pretty sure I know where they are as well. Maybe not.
Boom.
Blow the wall. I thought they were going to be behind the wall.
Moving out.
That's affirmative. Advent troops spotted.
It would be best if I would have hit them, but I guess. You got what you got. So we got Sectoid, or we got Advent Trooper. Another one dead. It should be the last
Hostile
fight anyways.
neutralized.
So if I keep my right, you. Yeah.
On Overwatch.
If I keep my assault guy out of the way, I should be good. He's going to control the debt.
No
That
respite for the
is
dead.
good.
The aliens have found a way to mind control them now.
Is that so? How conceptual.
Orders confirmed. On the move.
Hi. Oh, so it does do 6 to 8 damage with sword for you. How's your day, Ben? With the weird ears. How
Orders
did
confirmed.
he not
Moving out.
get a vanquish? Push confirmed. I hope. Thank you.
Kill confirmed.
Mission complete. Please, nothing dies.
Status confirmed. All hostiles are down and the
Oh,
area
God.
is secure. Status confirmed. Mission accomplished.
That's my first ever death in this game. I'm either getting worse, better, or the game's just hitting me a lot harder. It knows I did this and did very well before. New average cover bonus 69, let's go. Wasn't Neil Howard the one who died? I can't tell. Kinda sad, but still. Reading message. I've got messages, which I don't really care about actually. From ages ago. I really just sneeze, but I can't. We're back. Oh, we didn't breathe. Body rhythms. Medical protocol and median line. That's gonna be helpful. Go to long watch. Not really often. Blade master. Hopefully we don't have that again.
New objective added.
Oh, that was a
Hello. Looks like we've got our work cut out for us, Commander.
I probably shouldn't have done the skip the cutscene because that's kind of important. But well, don't care. I'll put you in that now.
We've done what we can to honor our fallen soldiers, Commander. It's not much, but it gives our people a chance to pay their respects.
Soldiers? How bad do you think I am? 2035. Rest in peace. Oh, if this seems new to you, it's because I actually got the mods working. Not mods, DLCs.
You've done a hell of a job keeping this ship together, Doctor.
It's all we've got. And I know the aliens aren't happy about losing one of their own.
I doubt
Anyway.
they thought anyone could get this heap airborne again.
I'm more than happy to prove them wrong.
Anyway, without getting interrupted, that is where we're going to leave it for this episode. We didn't do much in the Avenger, but still, it's better than nothing, isn't it? Happy New Year, boys. Catch you on the flip side.